So today is the first day that the IRS will start accepting 2024 tax filings. And I'm curious to find out how many people are actually ready to submit tax filings, have all of their information together, and have prepared their filing and ready to submit it to the IRS. So I will say that I do have some that are ready to go. Actually, it's for one client, and one client has three partnerships. And so within those partnerships, they have two commercial property, and one is a single family rental, and they have three partners on four partners, excuse me, for each of those partnerships. So they get provided their information to me fairly early in the year. We'll be able to go through it and prepare their tax filing, and now it is ready to be submitted. But I'm always like really impressed with this client and when they provide the information, because this is the fourth year that we are working together. And each year they are the first client to submit their financials. And obviously, they're the first ones that we have prepared, ready to submit when the IRS opens. And so we usually send out our tax season letters the second week of January, usually around January 6th, 7th, 8th, maybe the 9th or the 10th, just kind of depending on how the new year falls. But when we provide that information out, it's usually saying, hey, of course, this is your due date. This is your last year's tax organizer. This is the information we're going to need from you. Let us know if any changes that may have taken place. So once we send out that tax letter, without exaggeration, within 72 hours, this client has their financials uploaded to their folder in the portal, telling us, "Hey, it's ready to go. Let's get started." And so I'm usually, like I say, pretty impressed because this is they take the time to go through all of their information and get it all together at the beginning of the year and to provide to me. So I absolutely love that. But I just wonder how many people or do that. How many people spend the beginning of the year, early January, getting everything together, providing it to their CPA so they can get everything filed remotely early. Also, if you're not one of those people that get it done early, then I mean that's absolutely fine. But I'm also curious about what knowing that the IRS is accepting returns, knowing that your filing is going to be coming up due soon, does that encourage you to start to gather your information together? So, like, what entices you to start to get that information to provide to your CPA? I'm curious because I know what my clients do, but outside of my clients, I'm curious to see what entices others to start to get that information together, so they can submit their prepare their tax filing and get it submitted.